Hey everybody, Cody from SITECH Oregon. We're at the SITECH facility today, and we want to do a quick video on field calibration for your grade laser. So what we have set up here is a GL 420 or 412, and we have about 100 foot of distance between us and the laser to a wall or whatever you can actually repeat to. I'm going to take my receiver, I'm going to put it in the lowest tolerance setting, and I am going to fire up the laser here. Once this fires up and levels out, we will go walk down the distance, and we will take our receiver and take a mark, rotate the laser 180 degrees to the other side, walk back down there and take another mark, and what we're looking for is to see if there's any difference in those marks. If there is, then your laser is out of calibration. So we'll do that now. So here I am. I'm going to put my receiver on the wall, and I'm going to mark the first side of Y axis. So this would be Y1. So I got my tone there. I'll come over here and I'll put my mark and say Y1. So I will gently loosen the 5/8 course thread here, and I will rotate it 180 degrees to the other axis, giving it tighten it back down, and we'll wait for it to level back up, and we'll go back to our area and catch the beam and see if there is a difference in one side to the other. With the laser, we have two axes, Y-axis running this way, X-axis running the other way. So at the end of the day with this, just to make it simple, we're looking to spin this thing on all four sides, and all 4 points on the other wall match each other. If they don't, then your laser's out of cal, and it's probably time to come see us. So we'll go check our other mark. So now we've rotated the laser, and I'm going to show you Y2 and show you that the axis is in calibration. And you can see that my mark and my tone is in the same place here. So that axis is calibrated. Now we're going to show you the X-axis that we've taken out of calibration, so we can show you the actual two marks that will show out of calibration, if that makes sense. So now we are going to show you the X-axis and the error between both sides. So same process. I'm gonna catch my beam, get good tone. Make our mark. This will be X1. We'll go down and rotate the laser again to the other side of X, and we'll come back and see the error that we have inputted into the laser. All right, so we've rotated the laser on the X-axis. This is the first mark, which would be X1. Now I'm going to come in here with my receiver again and try to find the other side, which would be X2, and we will show the actual error between. So as you can see, the distance between X1 and X2 is significant. If you were to use this in the field, you would have some serious issues. So we want to stress that if it's a big project, if you haven't calibrated it in 6 months to a year, it's time to do a field check, and if it's out, come see us at SITECH Oregon. Thank you. Hey guys, so we've come in from outside and doing our field calibration. Now we're in the SITECH service department. We wanted to show some of the calibration ranges and everything that we have here to calibrate your equipment for you. So if what we did outside shows that your laser is out of calibration, there is a field calibration, but we don't really recommend it. You can get your laser beams way further out. We do recommend that you come drop it off at SITECH, and we'll put it on our range and calibrate it to manufacturer specs.